Hi all, as in our last tutorial, we discussed about photo library and camera access. Now let's pick an image from photo library and apply it on image view. So take an image view, drag it over the view, add constraints vertical and center horizontally, and give height width to image. Now to pick an image from photo library, we will have to take care of UIImagePickerController delegate and navigation controller delegate. Also, let's add an outlet so that we will have the image view in the main, and then this controller. So image view, we can say it image view user maybe, right? So now we have image view, and then what we cannot do is, so if we have access, that's okay. If no, so we'll return from here. And now what we will do is we have to declare a image picker controller, img picker. I'm taking this UI image picker controller. So image picker dot delegate would be this controller, image picker source type, from where it would source type UI image picker controller dot source dot photo library. So photo library would be this, and then self dot present. So what would present? Image picker, and animated would be true. So now once image picker is presented, we need to add a delegate method that would return the image. So did finish image picker did finish picking media with info. So this is the delegate method that would return the image view. So let's say img equals to info UI image picker controller dot info key dot original image as image UI image, or maybe UI image, yeah. Then self dot image user dot image is equals to img image, then self dot dismiss self dot dismiss view controller, dismiss animated true, right? So let's try and build this project. Okay, it worked. Let's try and run it on simulator. Let's try to select an image. So whatever image is selected via image picker would be applied over the image here, and then this image picker would dismiss. So thanks. Please share and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos on iOS development and skilled learning.